Give me one.
Okay, so today we are going to be doing a burping contest. Sadly, Allie and Megan over there don't know how to do a burping, so it's going to be me against Lauren.
What?
And yeah, I don't know what else to say.
Okay, so let's start with Thomas. Oh, okay. Thomas, show it to me.
Okay. All right, so sorry, everybody. Write in the comments who you think won. And pays. Can subscribe?
Subscribe. We really want to do a Q&A, so we're going to need some 20 subscribers. And please leave questions down below for us so we can answer them.
Do it today.